We've already got food in the house, but this is just in case we can't get out Monday. So we're looking forward, let's say, to 2 or 3 days after the storm.
I keep water and, basic, milk, bread, cereal. If it comes, it comes. If not, oh well.
If there is a storm and you might not be able to get out to get some food, what's on your list for stuff to eat?
Pizza.
We're shopping for juices and sweet potatoes, chicken gravy.
Bread, like you said, milk, and candy, of course. You have to have candy.
And Newman salad dressing, lean pockets, lean cuisine.
I drink the organic milk in the container, so it doesn't need to be refrigerated until you open it up.
You don't drink it out of the container, you put it up. Is Mom going to make you a nice warm breakfast in the morning? What does she usually make?
She usually makes pancakes.
Oh, chocolate chip pancakes?
Yeah, sometimes.
Can I come over and have some chocolate chip pancakes with you guys?
Yes.
Lillian's going to crochet me a scarf, shovel the driveway, and make breakfast. This is the perfect woman right here.